In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and view a note in a spreadsheet cell. If you've ever wanted to leave a quick reminder, context, or clarification directly in your spreadsheet without cluttering the main data, adding a note is a simple and effective way to do it. I'll walk you through the process step by step, and I'll also share a few helpful pointers along the way so you know exactly what to expect. Start by selecting the cell where you want the note to live. It can be any cell in your spreadsheet, maybe a header that needs extra context, a number that came from a specific source, or a place where you want to leave a reminder for yourself or a teammate. Click once to highlight that cell so your spreadsheet knows that's the one you're working with. Next, right-click on the selected cell to open the context menu. This menu is designed to show the most relevant actions you can take on that cell. Look for the option labeled Insert Note. This is your cue to attach a note without changing the content of the cell itself. Go ahead and click Insert Note. A small text box will appear, anchored to the cell you selected. This is where you can type your note. Keep it concise but clear. Think of it as a sticky note that explains the why behind the data. You can include background details, reminders about updates, or simple instructions for others who might be reviewing the sheet. The note won't change the cell's value, so it's a safe place to add context without affecting formulas or data. Once you've typed your note, click anywhere outside the cell to save it. There's no special Save button. Clicking away confirms that you're done, and your note is stored with the cell. This makes it quick and low effort to capture information right where it's needed. You'll notice a small triangle in the top right corner of the cell. That little visual indicator tells you, and anyone else viewing the sheet, that the cell contains a note. It's a helpful way to spot additional context at a glance, especially when you're scanning through a busy spreadsheet. To view the note, simply hover your mouse over the cell. The note will pop up, revealing the text you added. This makes it easy to check the context without opening or editing anything, keeping your workflow smooth and efficient. And that's it. You've just learned how to add and view a note in a spreadsheet cell quickly and clearly, keeping your data clean while your context stays close at hand.